Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're coming back, I appreciate the love. Today I'm actually doing a unboxing of sorts. I've already opened the package, but I ordered makeup from an Instagram ad and I wanted to open up the box for you guys and give you guys a peek at it and kind of just do an unboxing. But basically I ordered a makeup palette. I ordered a set of brushes and a liquid lipstick. So let me get into that and show you guys what I got. So the company that I purchased from is called Lurella Cosmetics, and I hope I am pronouncing that right. But the thing that caught my eye was the On the Edge palette. I really haven't seen anybody use this yet, and it has so many different colors. I'm gonna pop in a photo right here so you guys can see the different colors. And it has some mattes, it has some shimmers, and all the colors are different. So I really wanted to try it. If you guys are interested in me trying a makeup look with this palette, make sure to give this video a thumbs up or comment down below and I'd be happy to. But the thing that really caught my eye was this palette. And then while I was on their website, I actually got a glimpse at some makeup brushes. I'm not gonna lie, I literally bought these because of the handles. They are gorgeous. So I'm gonna open it now. I want to see like how they feel. So let's see, guys. So, oh my God, are they not beautiful? Again, like I haven't used these. I literally bought them because they were gorgeous. So I have not used them. I have no idea how they're gonna work, but like this is the first brush. It literally comes with 6 brushes. So that's the first brush. This one's a nice like little tapered brush for like bronzer, or if you wanted to do your contour. This is a nice little brush here for like blush, or even like I've been looking for a brush for my highlight, 'cause the fan brushes, I like them, but I don't because they're so wide that I get like too wide of an area. But I figured this I could even try for my highlight, just a little bit there. They feel really, really nice, you guys. They are so soft, and oh God, just look at that. It's not beautiful. So it does have a fan brush, which I still like the fan brush for my nose and above my lips. So I will definitely give this a try. And then there is a little blending brush. So this is the blending brush. Again, very, very soft. I can't wait to use this. And then I have a, this one's just a flat brush for packing on, you know, color on your eyelid or whatever, but very, very pretty brushes. This brush set was Aquamarine 6-piece brush set. I thought it was gorgeous, so I couldn't hesitate. I had to get them. And then the other thing I purchased is a liquid lipstick. And the reason why is because, I mean, I love liquid lipsticks. I can never get enough. And so I figured, let me give them a try. Let me see what the formula is, if it's a good formula or if it's drying or what. Oh my God, this is cute. These are really pretty. So the color I got is Famous. And let's swatch it for you guys. So this is the color swatched. So I thought it was more of it's kind of like a pinky color. I thought it was more of like a skin tone color, or like more of a neutral color, but this is really cute. I would wear it. So that's that. And that was only $10. And then they actually threw in for free, I got it's a liquid eyeshadow, which I have not used. So this color is called Snack. It has some kind of like, it has like some shimmer to it. I'm really interested in this one. This one would be cool for like, oh, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This one would be cool to use like an, this is beautiful. Look at that color. Can you guys see? Oh my God. Do you see that? Is that not gorgeous? I don't know how it works as an liquid eyeshadow, but I can't wait to use this. Oh my God, this excites me. And I didn't even order this. I got this free. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I can't wait to use that. Okay, guys. Anyway, so the company again is Lurella Cosmetics. I found them on Instagram. I will put, and this is not a paid advertisement. I literally just wanted to try them. I will link them down below in my description on their Instagram page. So if you're interested, you can go check them out. Again, I have no idea what these products are going to be like because I have not used them yet, but I will do a video coming up using these products and let you guys know what I think. Anyway, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I will definitely be doing more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.